In this video, we're going to look at how to access your homework in Math Excel um, when it's assigned, and as well as going back to review it if needed. So again, when you log in to your home page, you'll see a current assignments will be listed right there under the calendar. Completed would be below. We can also get to these assignments through our homework and tests tab. So when we go to homework and tests, we're going to see a list of our assignments and when they're due. So right now, this class has 2 assignments. Typically, they're due at the end of the school day. So for example, this is a Wednesday or the end of the class. So this class is block 7. They end the school day. So on this Wednesday here, school is out at 2:40. That's when the assignment is due. And for homework 3, it's extended actually, and it's not due until the morning, a Monday morning. That is because of e-learning procedure for extended periods that we are out of school. All assignments will be due the Monday after they were assigned. Okay, so for these 2 assignments, I can start on either one. It would make sense to start with homework 2. And I see that I already started this homework and I didn't do so well. I missed the first question. Um, but we can actually go through any of the questions that we choose, although it usually makes sense to go in order. But I'll go ahead and pick one that I haven't attempted yet. And for this problem, we had 8x is less than 7x plus 9. We're told to solve and graph the solutions. And so the solutions I can try to get, let's see, I could guess, I'm just going to guess one that's wrong. It tells me that no, I need to use the addition property to solve. So it's telling me that I'm not right, and it's giving me a suggestion on how to solve the problem. Now, as far as that goes, if I need help because I'm not sure what to do, I can go to question help up here, and I have a couple of options. There's a help me solve this feature, which is fine. When you click on this, what it's going to do is it's going to show you the exact problem that you just were given. Okay. And what you can do is you can read through some information, you can click continue, and it's going to go through a step by step. So it's telling me for this problem, what I needed to do was subtract 7x on both sides. Okay. Now, it will do that and it'll tell you exactly how to do this problem. Here's the thing though, as soon as you click close, it's going to give you a new problem. It doesn't want to just do the problem for you. It wants to show you what to do. But in the end, we want you to be able to complete the problem yourself using the same strategy. So even though the numbers changed, it's the same strategy for this one. There is another feature. It's called view an example. And that is a worked example that is very similar to what you have. So the setup in this one is just like that one, except the numbers are different. But the strategy is the same. Okay, so this one suggests to subtract 15x. I need to subtract 4x on each side. So let's go ahead and try that. I'll subtract 4x on both sides, and I'll get x is less than 5. Hit enter to check it. It tells me nice job, and then it wants me to choose a graph. Okay, so the correct graph is x is less than 5, which is graph A. Let's say I didn't pick it. I picked graph B. I got this wrong. I picked graph C. I missed it again. So that's 2 attempts, and it told me that was my final check on that one. And so we have an option. We can either go to the next question, or we can click similar questions. So the big thing with Math Excel is you can reattempt problems as many times as needed. And I can always go back and do them through the drop down. For example, I can go back and reattempt number 1. So please don't leave questions unfinished because you don't think that you can do them. You can do any problem an unlimited number of times until you get it right to get full credit for your assignments. Now, one last feature we have is the save button here. When you click save, it'll save your best score, but it will continually send push notifications to your teacher, letting them know your updated scores. But what it does is it locks in any unfinished questions. So since I hit the save button, this is going to be question 3 until I've attempted it multiple times.